Tokyo, Reuters, Asian shares rose to their highest level in 2.5 weeks on Monday as strong U.S. jobs data offset worries that tariff wars between the United States and the rest of the world could drag on global economic growth. MISI Euro trademark S broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan gained 1.0% to a high last seen on May 17, while Japan Euro trademark S Nikkei rose 1.3%. Tech names such as Tencent and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing were among the biggest gainers. On Wall Street on Friday, U.S. tech shares soared, pushing up the Nasdaq Composite 1.51% to 7,554, near its record closing high of 7,588 marked in March. In contrast, the S&P 500, which rose 1.08% on Friday, was still about 140 points off its record peak of 2,872 set in January as concerns about trade frictions curtailed many other shares. Finance leaders of the closest U.S. allies vented anger over the Trump administration Euro trademark S metal import tariffs on Saturday, setting up a heated fight at a G7 summit next week in Quebec. In a rare show of division among the normally harmonious club of wealthy nations, the 6 other G7 member countries issued a statement asking U.S. Treasury Secretary Stephen Mnuchin to convey their Euro unanimous concern and disappointment Euro about the tariffs to President Donald Trump. Euro or G7 is showing more divisions than unity, to the point where one has to wonder whether it is worth holding meetings Euro said Norihiro Fujito, senior investment strategist at Mitsubishi UFJ Morgan Stanley Securities. Euro or G7 summit this weekend could be equally terrible. Their Euro trademark S even talked that Trump may not go. Concerns on trade frictions are likely to continue to weigh on markets Euro he added. Still, the U.S. economy is undeniably in strong shape at the moment, keeping bears at bay. Friday Euro trademark S government data showed U.S. job growth accelerated in May and the unemployment rate dropped to an 18-year low of 3.8%, pointing to rapidly tightening labor market conditions, which could stir concerns about inflation. Euro we had strong headline figures on employment but rise in wages was still well contained and did not point to a sharp acceleration in inflation Euro Hirokazu Kabeya, chief global strategist at Daiwa Securities. Average hourly earnings rose 8 cents, or 0.3% last month after edging up 0.1% in April. That pushed the annual increase in average hourly earnings to 2.7% from 2.6% in April. The strong employment report added to a string of upbeat economic data, including consumer spending, industrial production, and construction spending. They have suggested economic growth was regaining speed early in the second quarter after expanding at a moderate 2.2% annualized rate in the January-March period. Given the strength, the Federal Reserve is all but certain to raise interest rates at its policy meeting next week. That supported the dollar against other currencies. The U.S. currency traded at 109.50 yen, having gained 0.6% on Friday, extending its rebound from Tuesday Euro trademark S low of 108.115, which was its lowest level in over 5 weeks. The euro traded at $1.1665, off Thursday Euro trademark S high of $1.1725. Still, it kept some distance from Tuesday Euro trademark S 10-month low of $1.1510 as concerns over Italy Euro trademark S political crisis have eased. U.S. crude futures fell to as low as $65.51 per barrel on Friday, touching their lowest level in almost 2 months as growing U.S. crude production and a glut trapped inland due to a lack of pipeline capacity have pressured their prices. They last traded at $65.80, flat from Friday close.